Hello children, let's continue our exercise 2.1. So children, kindly open your book, page number 30. Last class we discussed up to 6 number. Now you see 7 number. What is the minimum and maximum number of digits in the sum of we add any 2-3 digit numbers, any 2-3 digits. So children, here question is minimum and maximum. So first we see maximum number. If you take any 3 digits means maximum, no? That's why I write first 999 plus 999. Then you add. 9 plus 9 is 18, then 1 carry, 9, 9, 18, 19, then 19. So this is the maximum number, means how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So maximum 4 digits. Then what is the minimum? Minimum also any 3 digits you take. Suppose 2, 5, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Then 3, 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So children, minimum digits are 1, 2, 3 digits. Understood? So your answer is minimum digits are 3 and maximum digits are 4. Then comes to 8 number. Insert the correct symbol. Equal to, less than, greater than. Children, you solve first this subtraction, then you see properly which is bigger one and which is smaller one. Then you put the appropriate symbol. Here you first solve these bracket numbers, then you subtract with this number. Then you see which one is bigger one and which one is smaller one. You do yourself. Then 9 number. Simplify the following by grouping the numbers in a suitable manner. Children, I told you, first you see ones place. Here ones place is 4, 2, 6. If you add these two numbers, means 6 plus 4 is 10, then addition will be easy for you. Let's see. 9a. First you group these two numbers like this. Then you first addition with that two numbers. Whatever result you get, then add again the rest number. Then this is your answer. Then B number. Here like this you have to see here 4, 7, 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So first you add these two numbers, then you add last one. Like this C number and D number you solve yourself. See properly and arrange the numbers in suitable manner. Then last one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 96 plus 97 plus 98 plus 99. Very easy children, this one. Just you arrange suitable manner. You see, first you write the question like this, then you arrange. How? 99 plus 1 means 9 plus 1 is 10. Then 98 plus 2, 98 plus 2. 99 plus 1. Then 97 plus 3, 96 plus 4. See, very easy. Then you add 99 plus 1 is 100, 98 plus 2 is 100, 97 plus 7 is 100, then 96 plus 4 is 100. So 400 is the answer. If you arrange properly, the addition will be easy for you. Like this 9 number you complete children. Then 10 number. Replace star by the correct digit in each of the following. Star means you have to complete this one blank is there. So here like this 10a I solve. Here children, this is minand, subtrahend and this is difference. Already I told you, if you find out the difference, you have to subtract minand with subtrahend. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Here you have to find out subtrahend. Subtrahend equal to minand minus difference. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Here 6 minus 2 is 4. Here subtrahend means minand minus difference. 5 minus 4 is 1. So like this 10a, b, c, d your homework, you solve yourself. Then 11 number, perform the following subtraction and check your result by performing corresponding addition. This one you see the example 3. Follow example 3, then you do yourself. First you subtract, then you add, subtrahend and difference. Then see the minor is same or not. This is the checking method. You follow example 3. Then comes to question number 12. Find the difference between the largest digit, largest 4 digit number and the smallest 5 digit number. Children, you know what is the largest 4 digit number and what is the smallest 5 digit number. Let's see. This is the smallest 5 digit number and this is the largest 4 digit number. So like this children, you write, then subtract. You do yourself. Then 13 and 14, two numbers are your word problem. There are this much people in a village. So total people is 79,865 and men means male members are 26,188 and omen means female members are 20,509 and rest are children. Find the number of children. So your question is, you have to find out children number. So here total number is given, total people number is given and male number and female number also given. If you add this male and female number, then subtract the total number of the people, then you find the answer. See, total number of people this much, number of male members and number of female members. You add, then you find what? Adult number. These are the adult number. Then total number of people you write, then adult number you write, then subtract, then you find the children number. Then hence the number of children is, whatever you get the answer you write here, then answer. Then children 14 number, Mr. Sharma withdraw 90,000 rupees for furnishing a flat. If he bought a sofa set for 49,050 rupees, a refrigerator for 18,000 rupees and a dining table for 15,600 rupees, how much money is left with him for rest of the furnishing? So children, here Mr. Sharma withdraw total money is this much and he spent how much? For sofa set this much, for refrigerator this much and dining table this much. So children, you have to first find out total how much he spent. So this number and this number and this number, these three numbers you have to add. Then what is the result you get? You subtract from this number, means total withdraw money. Then you find out what is the rest money he left. So this word problem you write properly and find out the answer. Up to this your homework is there. Okay. Read the question properly and find out the answer.